front of me is Motorola Edge 16 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. First of all, you need to launch your keyboard and tap on microphone at the top right corner. If you can't see it, use gear icon here. Select voice typing and activate it thanks to this switcher. Then go back to your keyboard and tap on no visible microphone. Hit while using the app and start typing. To stop, just pause or tap on the same microphone. If you wanna, you can also click on your microphone and then select tiny icon on the left of it. This one. Now select next, hit done and enjoy using voice typing from this toolbar. To delete text on the go, use this button next to your microphone. To manage some available options, click on those three lines on the left. To move your toolbar, just hold it, drag it and let go. And to go back to standard keyboard, use keyboard icon also on the left. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!